shout out to 1K subscribers. No, seriously though, thank you guys for all the support from since the day ones to the new ones. I love you guys. So happy New Year. Even though those of us that really know the truth that this isn't the real New Year, it comes in March, but happy New Year, right? So I have this hunch, this word to give somebody, and you're going to know it's for you because, look, you have been through so much in your life who this message is for, and it's been repeating on my spirit, right? So I know it wasn't just for me, but you've been through so much trauma in your life that you don't know when somebody's treating you well, you think they have malintentions towards you. Listen to me right now if you want. That right there will keep you away from the very thing that you've been asking God for, which is like to be loved properly or to have a family that supports you, that doesn't, try to compete with you all the time and whatnot. Everything's coming together in God's divine timing, and some of you guys are getting ready to meet somebody, and that somebody is going to be that somebody that's going to be able to help you. It's going to be like that last missing piece. Now, of course, we're supposed to heal. We got to go onto the healing journey, right? In order to receive that love, or we'll squander it. We tear it apart just by fear because we've been hurt, right? And it's like a vicious cycle. But this time, it's important for you to have an open mind and just put it like this. You're just practicing. You're practicing to feel what normal feels like. You're practicing what it may look like for somebody to have your heart. Because you exist. You know what I'm saying? So if you exist, there has to be more people that exist that have the same heart as you, right? It's not to say we're perfect or better than anybody, but we kind of are, because we don't go around hurting people on purpose, right? I don't know why people do that stuff, but they do. But this time around, the person that you're getting ready to meet, whether you're male or female listening to me, it's going to be the missing link that you've been waiting on to complete the full circle of healing that you need. And I wish you the best, man. I'm so excited for who this is for. You guys are getting ready to come into the fullness of whatever you've been promised. And congratulations. Celebrate you today, dude. Even if you got to celebrate by yourself. My biggest wins, I celebrated alone. Me and Jesus up in that thing. Me and God up in that thing. And it's unfortunate, but learning how to do that will not only, you're building up, who cares? We don't need other people to celebrate us when we win. But it's also teaching yourself that, hey, them little wins that nobody knows about, that were hard for you, the ones that God knows about, when you were sitting crying or whatever, the tears that you cried and the things you've endured that you don't even talk about, you're healing from it, okay? And it is a new year. Let's don't pull the new year, new me bullshit. Let's just stick to the script, the one we've been sticking to. And we might have took a couple blows last year, but God knows this year is the year for the chosen. It's time to rise. I love you guys, man. Thank you guys. And to all those you have donated, wow. Some of you guys really I love you guys. It's a miracle. It really is. It's a miracle from the Most High. And I'm actually going to work. But glory be to God. At least we got a way to make money, right? But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later.